Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now we are going to be talking about Hbar. What's happening with the price of Hbar? Where is it going in the immediate short term? A lot of things to cover. So if you are a holder of Hbar, you do want to watch this video till the absolute end. Looking at the price right now, currently sitting at 0.065 cents, up about 0.3% in USD comparative, sorry, not BTC. And if we're looking at the market valuation has been holding quite strong at that $1.8 billion mark, which is a plus point. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $26.9 million. But I got something very urgent to share with you guys for Hbar, and it's very important for Hbar to do this. If not, then we could see Hbar go towards the downside. And I know no one wants to hear this, but on our channel, you guys know we're going to cover our analysis and give you the most 100% realistic scenario that is playing out in the immediate short term. But before we jump into that, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So you guys can see, since the price of Hbar did break out of this massive level of resistance at that 7.5 cents mark, we saw it go all the way up to 10 cents mark. But this time around, we were expecting that this level of resistance, which was before when we were breaking out, would play as a level of support, which it didn't. And since then, the price has been on a decline, and you guys can see that. And we have been holding around this level for the past 3 days. This is extremely important for Hbar to hold, because you guys can see if the price were not to hold around this level of support, most importantly around this 5.78 cents mark, we are looking like that we could retest this 4.3 cents mark, even the yearly lows at 3.64 cents mark. And no one wants to hear this right now, but obviously this can definitely play out if Bitcoin were to see even a little bit of a shake off. So let's say Bitcoin were to drop below $22,000 mark, and most importantly go below the previous higher low, which was just on Feb 13th, because this would be super important, because if we go below this level, this would invalidate our upwards trend, and that is going to impact the entire market, including the altcoin market. And especially if BTC dominance starts to increase towards the upside, meaning more money is flowing out of altcoins into Bitcoin, that can really affect altcoins, and Hbar is no exception. So right now, guys, it's extremely important to be looking at the price of Bitcoin if you are a Hbar holder right now, because right now we are sitting at some critical price levels. Obviously, the positive thing to take away from this would be is to go above this level of resistance at that 7.63 cents mark, which, if I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, is currently 17% away from there. So obviously, for that to happen, Bitcoin would need to start going up to that 24k mark. But right now, Hbar is looking kind of bearish in my quite honest opinion right now. So let's say you did pick up at the yearly highs, and you don't want to lose your profits. So if you picked up at the yearly highs, and that is a move of about 75, so you're still up about 75%. Let's say you do not want to lose this, right? Let's say you do not want to lose this. 75% gain was quite high for you, and you can't afford to lose it. Guess what? Lock in profits right now. So meaning, lock in your 70 or initial investment, lock that in, and keep your hold profits in there. So even if it were to go down, it doesn't really hurt you, because you can pick it up at a lower price. I strongly encourage you guys to take profits, guys, because as fast as these markets can turn towards the upside, that's as fast as they can go down, even in a bull market, because whales want to shake out the weak hands, and you do not want to be those weak hands that are getting shaken out. So if profit is profit, even if a 10% profit's made, that's profit. Don't let these other people tell you, 100x, 300x. That's just going to mess with your brain. Profit is profit. It adds up. Let's say you are making 10% profit throughout a month, right? You pick it up during the consolidation phase, 10% again, 10% again, and you're just putting it in a stable coin. Guess what? That 10% will add up to 100%. So you guys get what I'm trying to say. This is how you make gains in this market. And right now, that is the current scenario that could play out for Hbar, and I want you guys to be aware of that. But that is it for today's update. If anything were to change, I will keep you guys covered. I love each and every one of you guys. Continue liking the comments. Continue liking the videos and subscribing and commenting down below, and I'll bring these videos for you guys more often. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow on Crypto ZX and peace.